Hello! Welcome to Smart Skeleton Channel. Here we testing human limits.
Want to know how I got here in just a couple of months?
I just discovered this supplement called creatine.
Creatine, the most studied sports supplement in history. But what will really happen to your body if you start taking it? And what if you don't? Today, I will show you two parallel worlds. In one, you take creatine every day. In the other case, you don't. Let's see how the results will differ.
Two versions of you. Same training, same nutrition. The only difference, Bass? 5 grams of powder per day. Let's go!
Day 1, 8 a.m. Left, version with creatine mixes 5 grams in water. Right, version without creatine drinks plain water. Same morning, different choice.
Creatine monohydrate. White powder with no taste. 5 grams is 1 teaspoon. It dissolves in your stomach within 20 minutes.
In the stomach, creatine does not transform. It simply absorbs directly into blood through small intestine walls.
By 9 a.m., creatine is already circulating in blood. But nothing is happening yet. It needs a target, Cav, your muscles. 10 a.m. Both versions of you arrived at the gym. Same program, squats, bench press, rows.
With creatine, you load barbell to 100 kilograms. Without creatine, banks, same 100 kilograms. First set. No difference yet. Creatine needs to accumulate in muscles. This takes several days. But here's what's interesting. Creatine already started working at cellular level. You just don't feel it yet.
Inside muscle cells, creatine attaches to phosphate groups and becomes phosphocreatine. This is fuel for explosive strength. Day 3. Left scale shows plus ½ kilogram BES, water pulled into muscles. Right? No weight change BES, baseline continues. Do not panic. This is not fat. Creatine pulls water into muscle cells. You became heavier, but muscles look fuller. Day 5. Version with creatine wakes up with more energy. Brain also uses creatine for energy production. Version without creatine? Normal fatigue after workouts. Nothing critical, but recovery is slower. By day 5, muscles of version with creatine saturated 70%. A couple more days and you will feel real difference.
Day 7. Back at the gym. Now watch carefully.
Day 7 bench press test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Lyso, phosphocreatine in muscles allows you to do 10 to 15% more work each set. Creatine instantly restores ATP, then the energy molecule. More ATP, more reps, more growth.
2 weeks mirror check. Left, muscles noticeably more voluminous. Right, progress exists but less dramatic. The gap widens. This is not just water. More reps in training equals more muscle microdamage equals more growth during recovery. Interesting fact, creatine does not help with long cardio. It works only for short, explosive efforts. Version without creatine on treadmill? No difference. Creatine is not about endurance, it is about strength and power.
3-week strength test, LEFT 110 kilograms for 8. Right, 100 kilograms for 8, 10% more weight lifted.
More weight equals more stimulus for growth. Simple mathematics of progress.
And here is bonus side effect. Creatine improves cognitive functions. Your brain works sharper, especially with sleep deprivation.
30 days. Let us compare results. 30 days final results. LEFT plus 2.5 kilograms muscle, strength up 15%, noticeably bigger.
Creatine does not work miracles, but it accelerates results you would get without it anyway. This is like upgrading your biology. Important to understand. Creatine works only if you train. Without the gym, this is just expensive powder in the cupboard. So should you take creatine? If you regularly train with weights, that's fats. Definitely yes. 5 grams per day. You can do loading phase or not. After 1 to 2 weeks, result will be same. Safety? Thousands of studies confirm creatine is safe for healthy people. Drink more water and train hard. Now you know how creatine works.
Now you know how to get stronger and bigger.